Whoa.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 428 remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time and now includes the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson, Shelby,
That's my county.
Clare, and Walker.
That's me.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 428 remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time and now includes the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson, Shelby, St. Clair, and Walker.
Unbelievable. Bruh. How come he didn't go off?
Northeastern Jefferson County.
Oh, it's me.
4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mortis to shops of Grand River, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected.
That's bullcrap. You should have gone off.
Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northeastern Birmingham, Vestavia Hills, Truxtell, Gardendale, Irondale, Leeds, Moody, Saltondale, Center Point, Clay, Gibson, Tarrant, Argo, Kimberly, Morris, Tona Lakes, Chalkville, shops of Grand River, Grayson Valley, and Barber Motorsports Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jefferson, Alabama,